Now that we've cut, filed, sanded and polished all of our sides, what we are going to do is pop it on this heating rod. Strip heater. You'll notice that I'm wearing gloves. Okay, that is because this strip heater is very hot, and once it does melt our plastic, we want to be very careful because our piece is going to be quite hot. Now, we want to test the pliability of our piece as well whilst it's on here. And the way that we do that is we just grip it a little bit. I put one finger down like this and then one underneath my piece, and then I just begin to try and bend it. It's not very pliable yet, which means it needs more heat.
So here, guys, you've got we're just going to bend it a little bit. You can see it's bending, the plastic's bending. So what we want to do as quick as possible is grab it, line it up like this, and then push it together like so. Right, we've got to hold that there for about at least a minute. So let's have a look now. If you don't line up this here with this, what you want to do is make sure that you line that up there, that point there, because what happens is some people miss it. Okay, so that's literally perfect. What do you reckon, Miss G? That's pretty perfect,
pretty
isn't it?
spot on.
Okay, and what's going to happen is we're going to actually glue that onto the back of the frame.